Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part 2 on setting up your design for the laser cutting, and this will be for TruCUT RDWorks. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. And now just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on the laser cutting process, where we will be going through some basic process of start to finish when you want to cut something with your laser cutter. It's all unfortunately not be including the actual design part, as it is just setting up the design. Then I will also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now, in the last video, if you guys can remember, let me just remove this arrow. We setting up a visual language. So we were going to make black. It's going to be all the places that kind of just engraves, and red will be actual cutouts. So then we ran into this problem here at the bottom, which was at the moment we have a red line going right through, and the teeth are just going to cover these points. So that means we're actually going to cut out all the teeth, which we don't want. So we have to now make the red go around the base and leave a blue line on top of these rectangles. While we're at it, I'm just going to use shift with my selection button and quickly just change the color of blue, so we don't forget to do that later. There we go. Now I'm going to zoom in here by the mouth, and then what I want to do is select or drag a selection box over all 4 of these shapes. And then on our top extended menu here, you guys will see we've got an icon here called delete overlap. So if we click that, then anywhere, I'm just going to say okay, leave the settings by default. We'll see delete overlaps 2 lines. Now what's going to happen is anywhere where there's 2 lines overlapping, you guys can see it just removed it. So it's now square. Now the trick is you're going to have to isolate those 2 lines. So I'm just going to take these, let's quickly change the color to red, and then we grab this one, and I'm going to zoom in even more. Now it would normally be a bit more thorough with this method, but I'm just going to do it rough for the sake of the length of this video. Then next thing we want to do is we're going to go here to our edit node setting, and then I'm going to select where I want to add a new node, and then click the plus node here on the actual menu here. So I'm going to do that. We just quickly do it by all the intersections of the teeth and the top of the mouth. Like I said, in an actual tutorial, you'll be our actual job, you'll be doing way more refining. We'll do it way more fine. Then what I want to do is select these, and then I want to go here where I separate or break apart or break the curve. What this is going to do is going to take this one node and basically break it apart. So now if I had to move this, you can see it is 2 separate things. So let's just put that back, or first move them so we can remove. Apologies. So I must first break these ones also apart, and then same with this one. Break apart. Now I actually did not have to move this one. Could simply just select the other ones and change the color. So now I want to select this line and the one next to it, and then change these ones to black. So now as you guys can see, it should in essence make a cutout right around the teeth, and then do a slight engraving on top of it. And let's just zoom this out to base. Now in the next video, we're going to be looking at setting up the actual colors, how they're going to behave to the cutting. But yeah, that will be a video of its own. Otherwise, we head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the videos you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.